Morning guys, another great day here at Unity Beach in Breen Sands. Just arrived on our showground. We've got a Regal Retreat, 39 by 12, 3 beds, brand new, 2025, literally just been unpacked. Great day here today. Lots going on. A couple of weeks away from Easter, the whole place is going to come alive. So this is a 3 bed. Bang up to date, really modern, great facilities, double doors at the front to go out onto decking that the new owner would put there. Loads of space. Like I said, double glazed, centrally heated, really well appointed, lovely kitchen. I love the accent of blue, and that blue runs throughout the entirety of the van itself. Loads of space in the kitchen, loads of prep. Nice little touch there as well with our dishwasher integrated, microwave integrated, and of course your fridge and your freezer. So walking down through the van, a nice cloak area with storage out. Loads of storage in here, nice deep cupboards. And we're into our first bedroom, so 2 twins and a double. Just the way it was designed. If you want to take twins out and put double beds in, you can do exactly what you want in this thing. So first, WC. And going down through into the main bathroom. Double aspect shower. And your WC. Again, that blue accent running throughout the van. Bedroom number 2, another twin. Nice bit of kit, this. Well designed. And into the master. Master has got double deep wardrobes. It's a king size bed in here. Really lovely. With vanity area. And again, the blue runs throughout this van. So lots going on at the moment here on Park. Pool complex is firing already. Sauna, steam room, gym, operational all year round, those facilities. The fun fair is up together nearly. They'll be opening that up for Easter in a couple of weeks. Primrose Way on target will be completed in a couple of weeks. And the Wonky Donkey, our new entertainment venue, food and beverage court, sports bar, loads of stuff down there. It's going to be finished and available just after Easter. Any information that you guys want, give me a call. I'm Simon, 07973 620 351. Give me a call, book an appointment, come and see us. Let us show you around the park. Now, one of the only parks I know in the southwest for sure that it's got its own country club and 18-hole golf course on Park. So if you're that way inclined, guys, throw your clubs in the boot of the car, bring them down with you. 07973 620 351. Give me a call. You have a great Sunday, guys. Thanks.